Hello, I'm Brian with Finishing Kick Trivia, and I'm here to give you a little bit of a brief tutorial on how to use on Zoom in order to access the Festival of Miles trivia, as well as any other future trivia opportunities you may have. Now, the first thing that you want to do in a web browser is go to zoom.us. All right. So once you are in Zoom, if you've never used it before, you are going to have to sign up, and it is free, as it says. Now, click on that sign up button at the top of the screen. Now, the first thing you'll have to do is enter your birth date. So we're going to very quickly do this, and then click continue. Now you enter your email address, and then you can click sign up. Now, you do not necessarily need a Gmail account. You can sign up any way you want. Okay, so now once you've done this, it will send an email to your email account. You will have to go to your email in order to activate the account. Once we get into the email, you'll see an activation email, and you're going to go ahead and click the activate account. And now once you've done this, your Zoom account has now been created. But we will need to still add a bit more info. So in order to do this, you will have to enter your name and create a password. Your password will need to have at least 8 characters, have at least one letter, at least one number, and have both uppercase and lowercase letters. Once you do that, click continue. And now here it can ask you to invite friends or colleagues. You can skip this step. And here it'll ask you, you can go to your personal meeting room, but you don't really need to do that either. You can simply just go to your account. Okay, and there you go. Now that you are into Zoom, you can then join a meeting. It will ask you also to download. You can also download the Zoom app for PCs, where you can also join meetings from there as well. Now, in order to join a meeting, you would need a specific Zoom code. So here it's going to ask you for the personal ID. There should be no password for the Festival of Miles trivia, so it won't ask you for a password. You'll simply need the meeting ID, and it will allow you to join. All right.